In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Instagram profile link. This is really useful if you want to share your profile with someone, add it to your email signature, or link it from another social media platform. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, and you can follow along on your computer. First, open your web browser and go to Instagram's website. Make sure you're logged into the account whose profile link you want to copy. If you see your usual Instagram home feed with posts from people you follow, that means you're on your home dashboard and ready to go. From this home dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options such as Home, Search, Reels, and so on. In that list, look for the option labeled Profile. It usually appears near the bottom of the menu, and it will often show your profile picture next to it. Go ahead and click on Profile. Once you click it, Instagram will take you directly to your own profile page. Here you should see your profile picture, your username, your bio, and your posts. This page is important because the link we're going to copy is simply the web address of this profile page. Now move your mouse up to the very top of your browser window to the address bar. This is the long text field where website links appear. You should see a URL that includes instagram.com followed by your username. That full address is your unique Instagram profile link. Click once on the address bar. In most browsers, that single click will automatically highlight the entire URL. If it doesn't, you can click again or press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to select all the text. Once the full link is highlighted, copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac, or by right-clicking the highlighted link and choosing Copy. You've now successfully copied your Instagram profile link. You can paste it anywhere you like, in a message, in a document, on another social platform, or in your browser to share or save it. Just use Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste. That's all there is to it. By going to your home dashboard, opening your profile, and copying the URL from the address bar, you can quickly get your Instagram profile link whenever you need it.